Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in this left section to find the system option. Now here we have to find reset options, and as you can see right at the very top we've got the option we are looking for. So let's tap. Here your device is informing you which section will be reset, so the Bluetooth and WLAN. So let's tap on reset settings. Here, if you've got any kind of screen you currently set, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because it's quite important. You cannot undo this action, so you cannot restore the settings. So just tap on reset settings if you're ready, and as you can see we've got the info that the network preferences has been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network settings in your LENOVO Tab P12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.